With all this stuff going on, talking about masks and everything, I'm just going to do this quick little video, show you something we used to do up in Alaska. We did this to keep our face warm when we was out there delivering stuff on a forklift in that sub-zero temperature. But it's very simple. If it gets down to where you have to do this, you can. This is pretty easy to do. I get these microfiber towels on Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you can get it. Amazon can deliver these things straight to your house, and they're fairly cheap. I get 144 of them about once a year to use on my car and different places around the house. But get your piece of cord. I'm using parachute cord. All you do is take the little towel, fold it in half like that. Put it on your face, up over your ears, and then you tie it. And if you need to, you can tuck it down into your shirt. We used to tuck it down into our parkas, and then we would wear a pair of goggles, and it kept our face really warm out there. But during this coronavirus stuff going on right now, if you had to put something on to go to the grocery store and you didn't have a mask, and this would work. It doesn't have to be a medically approved mask or anything like that. And once you get home, and these things stay put. It stays put very good. And I can breathe very good through it. But it will catch what you're breathing out, so other people won't get it. So just wanted to pass this on. When you get home, just take it off and throw it in the washing machine. I'll put a link down below so you can show you the shop towel. I couldn't find these microfiber towels in my town. I went to Harbor Freight. I went to the Walmart. They just didn't have bundles of these towels. But I get them on Amazon. They deliver them in like 2 days. And get you a piece of cord. Doesn't have to be cord. It could be a big rubber band. It could be anything. But if it gets to the point where you have to go to the store wearing some kind of cloth mask, maybe this would get you through it. Just wanted to pass this on. Thank you.